Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Sony WH-1000XM5 noise cancellation not working. So in order to fix Sony WH-1000XM5 cancellation not working, you could follow this couple of different steps. First of all, you could switch from Ambient Sound to ANC. If you haven't configured the Ambient Sound control through the Sony connected app, you may not hear any significant difference in noise cancellation as well. So the first step is to try switching from an ambient sound control to noise cancellation on your Sony XM5S by pressing the ANC and AMC button. Now here's how you do it. So then cycle through the modes and you should immediately hear when the noise cancellation is on as your background noise would disappear. As you do it, so this should be able to help you out. If not, you could try adjusting the ambient sound control. If your Sony WH-1000XM5 noise cancellation is not working, the next step and the most important step is to adjust the ambient sound control. This feature allows you to adjust the noise cancellation to a specific level based on environment, hence you must ensure that not all noise are allowed. To configure, you simply want to go ahead and open the Sony connected app. When your headset is paired, go to the sound tab. In there, you must enable the ambient control and expand the noise cancellation tab. What you'll see is noise cancellation slider, which stretches from one end to another. You simply want to do it so. If that doesn't fix it, so you want to use noise cancellation. For that, you simply want to go to the NC optimizer, which you could use to personalize the XM5's noise cancellation. Then open the Sony connected app on your phone. Select Sony WH-1000XM5 headphone. Navigate to sound tab and scroll down and find noise cancellation options and tap on start and follow the on-screen steps. That should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.